Hello everyone, welcome to BeRisal. Today we are going to learn how you can use Stable Diffusion for free through this website. So let's get started. Let's move on to the screen. So I just want to tell you the people who are already engaging with Midjourney or Leonardo or any text-to-image image-based AIs or ChatGPT, they will know what is Stable Diffusion. But those who don't know what is Stable Diffusion, I just want you to know that Stable Diffusion is a deep learning text-to-image model released in 2022. It is primarily used to generate detailed images conditioned on text descriptions, though it can also be applied to other tasks such as in-painting, out-painting, and generating image-to-image translations guided by the text prompt. So this is Stable Diffusion, but many AIs are now using this and they are mostly paid. So today I'm going to tell you how you can use the Stable Diffusion for free. Let's go. Simply type in the search bar clipdrop.co. The link is already in the description of the video. Just simply go here and click on Tools, and from here just simply click on Stable Diffusion. In the Stable Diffusion section, you are seeing that generate images from text. You can generate unlimited images just for free, completely free from here, and this is using the Stable Diffusion model. So just like if I'm searching for this thing, match of fighting in space, so you're seeing that it generates me 4 images and there's no any price for that. There's no subscription fee or any other thing, and you can use it without signing up. And it also has different models here. Just let me show you the models. You can see it has anime, photographic, digital art, comic book, fantasy art, analog film, neon punk, isometric, and many other models. You can simply use it free. Like if I'm searching for anything in the photographic section, I will search for shoes. All right, red shoes on yellow background, 8K, and I'll click on generate, and here you can see it generates me 4 images. They are very good in resolution, and there's another bonus trick for you. Like click on download HD, you can simply download this image. I will open it for you, and you can see this is the image we generated from. And now if you want to scale it a little bit up, just simply go back and click on Tools and click on Image Upscaler. In Image Upscaler, you can simply drag select the image we just created, like this one. I will drag this and I will click on Upscale, and it will upscale this image by the 2x. See, it is already upscaled, and now click on download and the image is downloaded. Here we have an upscale image for we just created with the Stable Diffusion. So this is very good website. It has a lot of more tools. Some are paid, some are free, but right now Stable Diffusion is completely free on this website. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to share, subscribe the channel, and like this video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.